Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to color folders in OneDrive and File Explorer. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Microsoft OneDrive app from your web browser. Head to onedrive.com and sign into your account. This will give you access to all your cloud storage and the customization options we need for this tutorial. Wait until the login process finishes and you'll be directed to your OneDrive dashboard. From here, we're going to color folders in both OneDrive and File Explorer. The great thing about this feature is that when you change the color in OneDrive's web interface, it automatically syncs to your desktop File Explorer folders, so you only need to make the change once. Start by navigating to the left-hand menu of your OneDrive dashboard. You'll see the My Files option there, so go ahead and click on it. This will present you with all your files and folders stored in OneDrive. Take a moment to locate the folder you want to color. It could be any folder you're using for work, personal files, or projects that you want to visually organize. Once you've found your folder, hover your cursor over it. You'll notice a three-dot menu appears in the middle of the folder icon. Click on this three-dot menu and a context menu will appear with several options. From this context menu, you'll directly see the folder color option. This is the feature that lets you assign custom colors to your folders for better organization and visual clarity. Hover your cursor over the folder color option to reveal the available color options for your folder. You'll see a palette of different colors to choose from. Now simply select the color you wish to assign to your folder. Whether you want red for urgent items, blue for work projects, or green for personal files, the choice is entirely yours. Now here's the really convenient part about this adjustment. The color change you just made automatically reflects in your File Explorer folders on your OneDrive desktop app. This means all you have to do is adjust the color from your web app, and it will automatically adjust the color of your OneDrive desktop folders too. You don't need to repeat the process or manually sync anything. The change happens instantly across all your devices where OneDrive is connected, making your folder organization consistent everywhere. And that's it. You've successfully colored your folders in OneDrive and File Explorer, making your files easier to organize and locate at a glance. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.